Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by Smart Edu Hub Mumbai. In today's video, I shall explain to you the direction of the magnetic field lines around a current carrying wire. Now, suppose there is a piece of cardboard like this, and I make a hole through the piece of cardboard. This is a hole through the piece of cardboard. And if I pass a wire through and through the piece of cardboard, so imagine this is the wire which is passing through this hole, and if I connect the wire to a source of electrical energy, okay, so what's going to happen is there's going to be a current in the wire, okay, and what will be the direction of the current? See, whenever we are drawing diagrams, we always show the direction of the conventional current. That is, we show the electric current as going from positive to negative. So this is the conventional current. So on the wire, I'll show the direction of the conventional current. So the current is flowing from the positive to the negative. Okay, fine. So this is how the current is flowing. Now, do you know that there's a magnetic field always present through a wire that has current through it? Now, isn't this wire also having electric current in it? Yes. So according to the rule, there'll be magnetic field around the wire. Now, definitely we know that whenever you have a straight current carrying conductor, there'll be circular magnetic field lines all around the wire. So there'll be a lot of magnetic field lines, circular lines around the wire. Now, what we are interested in knowing is what is the direction of the magnetic field lines. So first, let me draw the magnetic field lines that are existing around the wire. So like I told you, there'll be circular magnetic field lines. So I'll draw small circles now to indicate that these are the magnetic field lines. Okay, so I have just drawn two lines to indicate that there are two circular magnetic field lines. Now, if we are interested in knowing the direction of the magnetic field lines, then we either need to use a compass, or if not a compass, then we need to use our right hand grip rule. Now, I'll show you exactly what I mean by the right hand grip rule. Now, look at the diagram, the new diagram to the right. If you see, the person is holding or gripping the current carrying conductor, so the wire in this case, with the help of his right hand only, and he's holding it in such a way, he's gripping it in such a way that his thumb is going to only point in the direction of the conventional current. Now you know very well that the positive of the power supply is here, so the current is going from up to down in the wire. Okay, so what's going to happen is when you are going to grip this wire, you're going to grip it in such a way that your thumb will point in the direction of the conventional current. So this is the direction of the current. So you're going to grip the wire in a way that the thumb points in the direction of the current, and see the fingers that are curled. The fingers are curled in a way as shown by the arrow. So the fingers are showing you the direction of the magnetic field lines. So here on the circular lines, those are magnetic field lines, the one in green. If I have to show the direction of the magnetic field lines, I could just have put arrows like this, because this is exactly what the diagram to the right indicates, that you're going to grip your wire in such a way that the finger will point in the direction of the current, and the curled fingers will show you the direction of the magnetic field lines. So this is one way, right? Now, what if the current was flowing from down to up, not from up to down? Then do you have to use your left hand, or you're going to use your right hand? Definitely you'll only use your right hand, because the rule says it's a right hand grip rule. So what rule are we going to use to find the direction of field lines? The right hand grip rule. Okay, the rule here is your right hand grip rule. So whether the current is flowing from down to up or up to down, it does not matter. You're going to still use your right hand grip rule. So now let us take an example where the current is flowing from down to up, that is the battery polarity is reversed. So now if I want to draw it, I can just draw it in this way. Instead of the positive, I can put a negative here. So I'm going to actually do it in a way such that the battery polarity is reversed. So when I reverse the polarity of the battery, what's going to happen? The current will start flowing in the opposite direction. So once again I draw the cardboard piece, and once again there's a wire which is passing through and through the cardboard piece. There's an electric current flowing through the wire, and like I told you, the electric current is always the conventional current. So you're going to draw a arrow. You're going to draw arrows pointing from the positive of the power supply to the negative of the power supply. And I'm also going to show the magnetic field lines, because there's a current in the wire and there's a hole like I told you. So there'll be a hole in the cardboard. Imagine this is the hole, and the magnetic field lines, again I can draw them. Maybe I just can draw two of them. Okay, so according to the right hand grip rule, what should happen? You should grip your wire in which way? So you're going to grip your wire such that your thumb is going to point in the direction of the current as shown in the diagram to the right, and then in that case the curled fingers are going to give you the direction of the magnetic field line. So these are your magnetic field lines. So this is how it's going to look, the diagram. The arrows are going to be in which direction? Can I name these directions now? When the current goes from up to down, what's the direction of the magnetic field lines? Are they clockwise or anti-clockwise? They are clockwise. So I can write here clockwise. And in this case, they are anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is about the direction of the current, direction of the magnetic field lines around a current carrying wire. And remember, it's the right hand grip rule. You're not going to make use of your left hand. It is no way a left hand grip rule. It is just a right hand grip rule. So the moment you're asked to find the direction of the magnetic field lines in a wire, you're going to always make use of the right hand grip rule. So well, that's all in today's video. And if you like watching my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.